As the world faces mounting challenges from climate change, social inequality, and the demands of corporate governance, ESG, a framework centered on environment, social, and governance principles, has emerged as a guiding star for sustainable business strategy. Across industries and nations, including Vietnam, the adoption of ESG is rapidly shifting from a voluntary gesture to an essential driver of long-term value and stakeholder trust. At the same time, strategic management accounting is evolving, bringing decision-makers the tools and insights needed to integrate sustainability deeply into every layer of operations. The environmental pillar of ESG encourages businesses to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, optimize their use of energy, and manage natural resources with care and responsibility. These measures go far beyond regulatory compliance. They help companies mitigate risks associated with energy scarcity, resource depletion, and global warming. More importantly, environmentally conscious practices can lead to cost savings, improve operational efficiency, and enhance the reputation of a brand in the eyes of increasingly discerning consumers and investors. The social component of ESG demands a renewed sense of responsibility toward employees, customers, and communities. This means cultivating safe and fair workplaces, ensuring customer rights, contributing to societal development, and fostering diversity and inclusion. For companies in Vietnam and around the globe, social stewardship is no longer a matter of philanthropy. It's a critical factor influencing talent attraction, customer loyalty, and regulatory goodwill. Governance, the third pillar, calls for greater transparency, robust risk management, and ethical business conduct. Strong governance mechanisms curb corruption, prevent mismanagement, and assure stakeholders that the company is well-run and resilient in the face of uncertainty. In today's interconnected world, the quality of governance is reflected not only in financial results, but also in how non-financial risks are anticipated and addressed. Meeting ESG standards is much more than an ethical obligation. It creates tangible, long-term value. Companies that integrate ESG into their core strategies can sharpen their competitive edge, access a broader pool of capital, foster brand loyalty, and better adapt to regulatory changes. Investors, customers, and business partners are increasingly aligning themselves with companies whose missions reflect strong environmental stewardship, social responsibility, and sound governance. Strategic management accounting plays a foundational role in making this integration possible. No longer focused solely on cost and financial performance analysis, today's management accountants measure and report on non-financial factors that are crucial for assessing ESG impact. For instance, they might develop key performance indicators that track carbon emissions per product unit or assess the social impact of a manufacturing facility on its local community. By factoring ESG-related hidden costs and benefits into decision-making models, strategic management accounting provides a more comprehensive view of business performance and risk. Importantly, these insights help companies plan for the long term. Strategic management accountants supply the data and analysis required to set realistic sustainability targets, allocate resources efficiently, and monitor progress over time. This future-focused approach ensures that ESG goals are woven into every business decision, aligning short-term actions with long-term strategy. In the modern era, profit alone can no longer define success. Companies must embrace a broader vision, recognizing that social and environmental responsibilities are key drivers of business resilience, innovation, and stakeholder trust. Integrating ESG into strategic management accounting systems empowers organizations to manage risks, uncover opportunities, and build enduring value. At DDC Global Business Consulting Ecosystem Vietnam, experienced professionals are committed to listening, sharing expertise, and supporting clients in customizing ESG systems suited to their unique operational landscape and strategic growth ambitions. The goal is to help businesses in Vietnam and beyond build lasting competitive capabilities and achieve sustainable profitability, all while navigating a world transformed by digital transformation and evolving stakeholder expectations. Together, we can champion a new era of responsible, future-ready enterprise.